Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have a backup and your Apple ID password. This avoids lost data and reactivation delays. Once ready, unlock the iPhone and open Settings, then tap General. Make sure you're on the main device screen and not in an app. From General, scroll down toward Reset Options. You'll move deliberately, so take a breath and follow the exact menu path I'll walk you through next to perform the network reset safely. Now execute the network reset. In General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode when prompted to authorize the action. This prevents accidental resets. The phone will immediately clear saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and VPN settings, and then reboot. Once the restart begins, wait for the lock screen to reappear. After the restart, you'll rejoin. After restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices. Enter VPN or APN details exactly as provided. Once done, test browsing and calls to confirm connectivity. If you still see problems, toggle airplane mode on and off, restart your router, and restart the iPhone again. As a key troubleshooting tip, if cellular fails after the network reset, remove and reseat the SIM, or try the SIM in another phone before contacting your carrier or Apple support, because that isolates carrier versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.